God, that's unbelievable, isn't it? I just, no way, I thought. Oh, hell. Fucking hell. Yeah, don't like the look of that, John. Don't know about
that tree out of there.
Don't know about that, John. Oh, crikey, John. How deep is this? Well done. My God. Well done. He's not done yet. Hell. Whoa. Whoa. I don't know how you do it. Let's change my vocabulary. God almighty.
Good gracious.
Yeah.
I see.
Oh my, oh my. Big rocks there, big rocks there. This roof rack's going to get ripped off with branches like this, isn't it?
No, it's alright.
Fucking hell, John. I don't know how you got the nerve to do this. Fucking hell. Whoa, Jesus Christ. Whoa, me. Christ almighty, John. You're not going to do it. Whoa. You know what? I could get out and take a picture of this. It's unbelievable what you're doing. F***ing hell.
Piece of piss that was, wasn't it, really?
Hey?
That was a bit of a piece of piss, really.
Yeah. There's a big rock there.
Yep.
Ooh, f*** me.
We're up on two wheels.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh, now. Those rock sliders, they're only aluminium, are they? Surely
No,
can't.
steel.
Are they steel?
Yeah.
Oh, I was going to say, aluminium, they ain't going to last long, are they? I got one, but I bent it all up when I hit that telegraph pole. I never threw it away because I thought I could put it in a press and get it straightened.
Oh, yeah.
Just towing somebody out. Get it out, John. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, for sake. Fucking hell. Jesus Christ. Whoa. That's a broken one, isn't it? Me. Ooh! We're stuck.
Fuck it.
We're stuck. What's that fucking branch?
Yeah, that was rough through there, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think that's going to be costly. Yeah, that's going to bottom out on that thing, isn't it?
Let's go over it.
Hey?
Get a weed on it. It'll be alright.
I think you're just trying to break this thing, isn't you?
No.
Hey?
It's my own vehicle, isn't it? I can't breathe.
Yeah.
That was rough through there. wasn't it?
Yeah, just a bit.
Is he stuck in there? Because I got stuck in there before.
We did this one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's stuck in it.
He's alright.
It is alright. Look at that. F***ing hell. Whoa.
Is he out? Oh yeah, he's out. Don't go through there.
Whoa. That's where he was, wasn't it? We're going to go that way? That way?
I couldn't get through there before until I got stuck.
Ooh. Ooh. That's...
Yeah, when I tried to go in there before, I got stuck in there once. I don't even know.
Right.
I'm coming through from the other way though. That might be an idea. He got through, didn't he? And go through that.
Oh, he's doing it again.
Yeah.
He's watching. Let's watch what happens. He's through, isn't he? Oh. Oh. Wrong angle though, isn't it?
No problem. No problemo.
Oh, John, I don't know how you do it. I don't know how you do it. My God.
Gonna follow me through here.
Where is he? Is he there? Gonna wait for him? Oh, yeah, it's a bastard, isn't it? Here. Why is that? Don't bottom that out.
Let's go this way to start with.
What's that branch there? Oh, he's doing it, isn't he? Look. What's this, your workout? Look at you.
He's coming, he's coming.
Whoa, John. Me, John. Jesus Christ. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Who goes up there?
Oh, not me.
Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, that would have been a good picture.
I'll have to get some film enough I can get in the bushes the other side, couldn't I?
Yeah, well, I was thinking that was a great picture of the angle, and you got that in front of it, you know, the mud. Oh, one way. Bloody hell, mate, you can't even see. Oh, hell. Oh my God, John.
What do you reckon?
Fucking hell, mate. Sake, John. Whoa, fucking hell.
You're fucking
Oh, oh. Whoa. Just never know how deep they're going to be, do you? Whoa, 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 whoa. F***ing hell, John.
Eh?
It's, I mean, it could easily tip over, couldn't it? Have you ever had... Which one's this?
Nice and easy.
Is it?
Be buggered.
Hey?
Be buggered.
Oh, what's these branches here? On the roof. Now where you going? Now where you going? I think it's that way, isn't it? Watch out, there's a rover coming along here. Whoa! Scrabble. It's just that one. No, it ain't, is it? Is it?
No.
Hey, that ain't bad, John.
No.
That ain't bad, is it? Fucking hell. Whoa! 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 Fucking hell. Whoa. Jump. Whoa. I'm amazed it just does it, don't it? Amazed it gets out of it. Watch out, John. Where you going? Right, left? Let me push that mirror out yet. Ooh, this is horrible, John. Ooh, hey, John, you sure about this? This is a horrible one.
Perfect. Smashing. Is it alright?